Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe on a MacBook. Before you begin, ensure your MacBook meets the minimum system requirements for your chosen Adobe applications. Visit the official Adobe website to download the Creative Cloud desktop application. Once downloaded, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process. This central hub lets you manage all your Adobe software efficiently and keep them updated, providing a seamless experience from the start. Once an Adobe application is open, you will see a consistent layout across most programs. The main menu bar at the top provides access to file operations, edits, and view options. Customizable panels, typically on the right, house your tools, layers, and properties. Your primary workspace, whether a canvas or a timeline, occupies the center. Getting comfortable with these areas will make you much more productive when creating. Effective use of Adobe on your MacBook involves understanding core editing techniques. Start by importing your media, whether it is photos, videos, or audio, into your project. Employ adjustment layers for non-destructive changes, allowing you to refine your work without permanently altering original content. Always remember to save your work frequently, perhaps every 5 to 10 minutes, to avoid losing progress. Finally, export your completed project in the correct format for sharing or publishing. To ensure your Adobe applications run smoothly on your MacBook, consider these performance tips. Go into the application preferences and allocate enough RAM, perhaps 60 to 70% of your total system memory, for intensive tasks. Keep both your Mac OS and Adobe software updated to benefit from the latest optimizations and bug fixes. Close other applications you are not actively using to maximize available processing power. If you encounter issues, Adobe's comprehensive online help and community forums are excellent resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.